We are going into day 2 on vacuum. Now, here we are. I shut down the system about 15 minutes ago. And overnight, since 8 p.m. last night, and it's roughly 1 p.m. right now, we're holding at 830 microns. Now remember, you do not and should not pull your final vacuum through manifold gauges and hold it. Those are not accurate. They're not efficient. It was something I was only doing to preliminary take down my system before I hooked it up the right way, what I'm going to show you. I'm going to eliminate the single hose, go to a dual hose system so I could tap in to both of the lines, the high and low side line. And as of right now, I have these shut off for the last 50 minutes. We went from 554 microns to 830. So I'm just going to show you, I'm going to turn back on the vacuum so you can watch it fall a little bit. And I'm going to show you the capability to just see what your hoses and your gauge set can do. Not necessarily holding, but to make sure you have no leaks anywhere and you know the capability of your vacuum pumps. I'm going to turn off the close-off valves up here so that the valve core removers. So I'm going to turn this one off. And look at here, right there. I'll turn this one off. Okay, so now that's shut. Now I'll come over to the high side, liquid. Now that's shut. Look at how fast it drops. So this tells you the capability of what your vacuum pump can do, your hoses, all your connectors, your seals, anything that you have in the system. You go, okay, now I know if this system was really super dry or not. Well, the vacuum pumps are running, it could hit this. Well, the vacuum pumps are running and the vacuum pumps off are two different complete stories. This is not your true reading. And this reading right here is not what's up at the other end of the line set 100 feet away. It could be like 500, 800 microns at the other end, but right here at the sensor, you're reading this. This is not your true reading. Never pay attention to your gauge sensors. This is a very bad way to determine on commercial equipment what you're reaching while it's open with the vacuum pumps on. This is not reading. If you're reading this, you're doing it wrong. You're cheating yourself and you're cheating your customer. So normally when I do a brand new system, commissioning it in, and I just laid in these line sets, most likely when I did this system here, what do we have? We have 7 1-ton low static pressure heads on here. We have 2 54,000 BTU heads on here, and I think 2 48,000 BTU heads on this system. And can't remember what the tonnage of the 2 outdoor units right now, it's escaping my mind. But when I initially took this down, it was on a vacuum pump with a metal copper line that I made as my vacuum line, going to the valves up at the unit. And at rest, it was at 60 microns, 66 microns to be exact, with the vacuum pump off when I'm finished. I always make sure when I pull down, when the system is off and been sitting 15-20 minutes, I'm always below 100 microns. Very easy to do if you do it right. This is a system that has oil in the lines. It has refrigerant still trapped in the motors and the accumulators. So I will never see that on an already used set. This is real world. This is not laboratory. This is not doing a video on YouTube with everything brand new and clean and dry. This is real world. So I'll turn back off. Let's turn back off the little guy. And let's turn back off the big guy right there, 12 CFM. And you can see it coming back up. Now remember, these are closed and you're just reading because of these hoses, the drop in these rubber hoses. This is from using hoses. This is why you never use hoses to tie off your system and then perform a a vacuum decay test, because hoses were never meant to be used for such a thing. So I'll get over to the new video. You'll see the next one after I've replaced this hose with a double one.